Have you ever looked at a website and wondered, what CMS is this running? What server is behind it? What frameworks are powering it? Well, there's a Linux tool that answers all of that in just one command. It's called WhatWeb. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it does, how to use it, and why every security researcher and ethical hacker needs it in their toolkit. Let's get into it. Hello friend. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to look into how hackers or bug hunters fingerprint the website by using WhatWeb tool. WhatWeb is a website fingerprinting reconnaissance tool. It identifies the technologies and software stack running behind any website, without needing access to the server. First, install the WhatWeb. Before that we will update by sudo apt update. Wait to update. After that we will install by sudo apt install WhatWeb. Let's check the tool is installed. By command, WhatWeb -- version. We can see the version. Means, tool is installed perfectly. Next, we will use this tool with basic scan method by command. WhatWeb followed by target URL. http://testaspnet.oneweb.com. In result, we can see the target using ASP.NET technology. We can find the country name, it using Microsoft IIS HTTP server and other basic information. If we want more details, we will use Verbose method with -v flag. Verbose mode gives you a full breakdown of every technology, server, framework detected, what it found, where it found it, headers, cookies, body, and the evidence it used to identify it. This is super useful when you want to understand exactly what is being exposed and where it is coming from. Last, another mode is there, that is aggressive mode, which contain level 1, 3 and 4. Level 1 send one request. It is passive, quite hard to detect, and level 3 send more request, follows more redirect, tries to find everything, and level 4 sends a huge number of requests. It finds more, but it is loud. This is the basic usage of the WhatWeb.